Installation of the timber lock bracket for wood stud applications. Using a level as a guide, draw a horizontal line at the desired shelf height. Be sure to subtract the thickness of the shelf top when marking the line. Use a stud finder to locate the center of each stud to which you will be mounting brackets. Draw a vertical line in the center of each stud up 1 inch from the horizontal line. Place the provided adhesive template on the wall with the center line mark aligned with the center of the stud and the top of the template aligned with your horizontal line. Drive a screw into the lower indicator, stopping when the screw is approximately a 1/4 inch from the wall. Place the base plate onto the screw and drive a screw through the upper hole to secure the base plate to the wall. Slide a channel nut into the base plate and thread the bracket rod into the channel nut. Hand tighten the rod. Place a magnetic level onto the bracket and level the bracket by adjusting the lower screw. Turn it clockwise to lower the front of the bracket and counterclockwise to raise it. Angle the bracket up slightly to compensate for the weight of the shelf. Loosen the bracket rods to align them with the holes in the shelf. Apply caulk to the back of the shelf and slide the shelf onto the bracket rods until it's about 2 inches away from the wall. Tighten the bracket rods with a wrench before pushing the shelf firmly against the wall. For instructions on how to drill shelves to fit the timber lock brackets, refer to the solid wood shelf drilling instructions.